Banana Kelly Community Improvement Association celebrated the easing of COVID-19 restrictions with their annual summer meet and greet with President Emeritus of Banana Kelly, Harry Derienzo, and President and CEO, Hope Burgess.
This is the first meet and greet since the pandemic, and we're very happy to have it here in the garden. When we started in 1976, everybody was leaving the area because we had basically arson like crazy, people burning their buildings down.
The event included a walking tour and book signing for Derienzo's new book, Building Homes, Building Connections. Taking place at one of their associated buildings, Derienzo explained how Banana Kelly has been approving housing for over 40 years in the South Bronx.
People were saying to us, "Why are you staying here? You're crazy. Why don't you leave too? You got to leave." So we said, no, we're not going to leave. We're going to stay here. We're not going to move. We're going to improve. One of the things we did was start a garden in the backyard, 1977. Not this garden. It wasn't as fancy as this. But what we were trying to do was to create an environment where, no, this is worth staying. It's worth staying. It's worth rebuilding. And the people that stayed are some of the people you see here today and some of the people living in these buildings on Kelly Street.
Derienzo toured a group of community members and partners around buildings Banana Kelly helped preserve, including the first elevated building in the Bronx, Manhasset, located on Longwood Avenue. Director and Consultant of Government and Community Relations at Banana Kelly, Russell Cheek, spoke about how they're continuing their mission on preserving, rebuilding, and keeping affordable housing for Bronxites.
Outside of our housing development and housing preservation, we developed the after-school program, we developed a summer program, and those were very close to heart because we wanted to ensure that the young people in the South Bronx had a sanctuary while their parents were out there or their guardians were out there, working.
Banana Kelly also provides a rental assistance program which helps individuals with disabilities pay up to 70% of their rent. To find out more information on Banana Kelly Community Improvement Association or to purchase Harold Derienzo's book, visit www.bkcianyc.org. Reporting for BronxNet, Ashley Tiffaney.